So check this out. This is my front door. Here is the deadbolt, and the screws don't go into the stud. I don't know what that's about. And then the front door hadn't been closing that well, and right here the front door hits the door jamb. So I'm gonna have to tighten that up, and I'm gonna go ahead, since this is a big void, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some spray foam, because why not? And then if you could check that out, that's the security door. That's really attached to something. Wow, really good craftsmanship on this house. I don't have any wood screws, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to use what I have on hand, which is actually a decking screw. I've used it in the past videos, but I really don't want to go to the store, so I'm gonna try it out. All right, that turned out really good. I mean, there is perfect clearance now. Just gonna cut off those shims and then work on the deadbolt. I don't actually have a front door handle. It fell off when I started this project. I was going in and out, noticed it was a little bit loose. The next time I went to go through the front door and it just came all the way out. So it was pretty unfortunate. But I was thinking maybe I'll run the air hose through here so it's not so loud, because that would be a lot of echo, you know, the rest of the family's in the house still. So I guess it's a blessing in disguise. Next up I have some spray foam. Might as well, I'm already here. This stuff expands a lot, so you've got to do one quick pass, and this hose nozzle sucks, but you just got to do it real quick and it'll expand out, it'll overflow most likely. I've learned from the past on this stuff. piece is pretty bowed out, so I'm just gonna have to give it some encouragement. So I have a bit of an issue. I could not find the right piece of wood for the top cap. Up there with the trim pattern that I'm going for. I'll show you right here. So this is my, I think it's called a cove molding. Side molding goes up here, and here's the top cap. And I wanted to have this as like a little shelf. And that goes there, but I wanted it to have a bit of a lip, so I don't have the right width. So I'm just gonna improvise here, and I'm gonna scab on a piece. I'll show you here. So by putting that underneath, I'll scab a few pieces on. And there's a nice little gap. And it's pretty much right at 1/4 inch, just like I'm doing everything else. So I think that's gonna work out. Hopefully there's enough bite onto. Yeah, if I glue that on, it should be enough bite on there. We'll see, but this all should support itself. So. With all that, it is time for floors. Let's go. Just kidding, I'm gonna paint first. Let's do it.